one more pan today. My nice clean brown stew chicken. I put carrot in there, I put herbs, I put tomato, I put onion, I put scallion, I put sweet pepper. Yeah, I'm a nice hot country pepper. And I don't know things set. Ready for the brown stew. I put it down, make it go on soaky, you know. Right there, so. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cook today. Only thing on the side I are the banana and the flour. But it's what I'm gonna cook here, breadfruit and yam and dumpling. Alright. Attack clap. See the next up me, brown stew chicken. Season up already, you know. I just make it go and soak quicker. You know when the meat soak it nice at all. I eat man big up on a nice clean self when you finish, you know, see what I go on up and active outside. What's up all my TikTokers? Watch here. See Priya for today. A brown stew chicken. I should have shown you when I season it up, but you don't know so you think set. But you know what, I know nice. No water down, nothing dry. My 2 bag of Maggi season. My sweet pepper, my scallion, my onion, my tomato, my Irish, my carrots, my sweet pepper, my nice clean country pepper. You don't know, say it. That's how you think set. Big up myself. Some dumpling and breadfruit and yam. I go bounce it with it. Yeah, see my fire, yeah. See my fire there go and juggle down. Yeah. Out the door thing, yeah. Big up on the nice clean self.